Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I am here with a new digital kit. Yay! This one is a grungy lined paper kit. So there's 10 pages in this kit and they're all grungy kind of different lined paper. So like this one has ledger paper, and then there's some super grungy stuff going on. Perfect for collage papers. If you didn't have any coffee dyed paper, you could rip this up and use it for collage. It's also great for the back of journal pages. All right, so here's page number 1. Here's page number 2. This one has a dotted or a dashed line, and this one looks really like coffee dyed paper. It has some rich, deep brown colors. I really like this one. And here's number 3, more ledger paper. It has some rings like coffee dyed and then some darker spots. And here's number 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, yep, 4. This one has some like washi tape on it with the dotted lines again. This one has more of a mixed media feel. And then there's this one with the elementary style dotted and dashed line paper. Good for like a kid's book. And here's this one with graph paper, also looking really coffee dyed, kind of rich dark colors. There's this one, another one that looks coffee dyed. And here's this one with ruled lined paper, looks aged and old. And here's this one with graph paper, and it looks like it's the green kind of graph paper, really fun. And then there's this one. This one has faint lines and more of the coffee dyed style. So the thing I love about a basic lined kit like this is that you can print on the other side, and then you can have a double-sided look. So you can have your coffee dyed paper or a blank style paper that you can then embellish. Maybe you want to add tags and pockets on your page. Having a basic background like this would be great. So this page right here is from the Field and Forest kit. And then I also wanted to give you a sneak peek. Here is one of the, let me move this out of the way, one of the coffee dyed or the lined pages, and then a sneak peek of my floral kit that's coming out soon. So even with something bright and cheerful, it gives that vintagey look on the other side of the page. So there will be a sale on this kit for the next, I think I usually have been doing 5 to 7 days. So if you want to snag it, now's the time. It will be on sale. Yeah, 10 pages. And the really cool thing is once you have them, if you want, you could print all of this page on the back of pages, or you could print, your choice of the pages, and then you could mix it up throughout different journals that you make. All right, so there is the grungy lined paper kit, and it's the first one because I plan on kind of doing these, maybe adding different things to them, making them a little bit different, but it's kind of fun to have a lined set. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.